Okay, dear students, today we will learn about what is network and how many types of networks are there. Um, what is network? If I tell you, if you have say suppose 10 computers, okay, and at a time, if you want to connect all those 10 computers together, it forms a network. Okay, uh, for example, suppose you have two mobile phones and you want to connect those two mobile phones together. How will you connect? Using Bluetooth or using Xender or using Flash or using Share It. Okay. So when you connect any device together, it forms a network. Now, the next thing is that why do we need a network? Okay. Now, if I tell you why you have connected these two mobile phone, okay, if I ask you why we are using Flash or why we are using say Xender or Share It to exchange the information, to exchange the songs as well as to exchange the videos, right? So we need a network. Okay, if the answer will be we need a network to exchange the information between the devices. For it can be a picture, the information, okay, the information can be a picture, it can be text, it can be any document, it can be any PowerPoint presentation, etc. Okay. Now in network, always remember two things needed. Okay, one is a server, another one is workstation. Okay. Now what is server? Server means the main computer, okay, in the network. Okay, the father of all the network is called the server. Okay. Now rest all the machines are called client or workstation. Okay. Now server means what? The main computer of of any organization. For example, in our school, in the language lab where Mace is sitting, that particular computer is called what? Server. And the rest of the computers, okay, where you used to sit, these computers are called what? Clients or workstation, right? Now I will discuss now the various types of networks. Okay, various types of networks. uh, there are four types of networks. Okay, one is called LAN, another one is called MAN, third one is called WAN, and fourth one is called PAN. Right. So the networks are what? LAN, MAN, WAN, and PAN. So first we will start what is PAN. PAN network. The full form of PAN network is Personal Area Network. Okay. For example, suppose in your house, see you have one laptop and you want to connect your laptop with the printer, with the headphone, or with the mobile phone. Okay, that time when you connect your computer, okay, or the laptop with various devices, okay, within a short range of area, okay, with a short range, so it forms a network that is called PAN network, personal area network. Personal purpose you are using that network. Okay. Next part is called MAN. Sorry, LAN. Okay, that is local area network. Now suppose um, one building is there and that building is having three floors, first, second, and third floors, and all the floors are having 10 computers each. Okay. So when you connect all the three floors, means all the 30 computers, okay, one floor is having 10 computers, so three floors are having 30 computers, so total 30 computers when you used to connect, okay, that time it forms a network called LAN network. Okay, understood? LAN network means when you connect all, means say 10, 20, 30, 40 computers at a time together with a limited area. Okay, that it forms what? uh, LAN connection, and LAN is only applicable in one city. Okay, in one city, for example Agartala. Okay, Agartala is one city, so in every, means suppose you place your one computer in say where, say AD Nagar, another computer is there in Auxilium Girls School. So how you will connect those two machines together? Using LAN network. Yeah. Now we will discuss about